Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to My Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious barbecue chicken sandwich, and I'll be using my 8-quart Ninja Foodi. First, we're going to start off by cooking up some bacon. I've never had a recipe go wrong when bacon's involved. So I've got 6 slices of bacon that I've cut in half. Mine was in the freezer, so that's why it's so stiff. So while the bacon was cooking, I seasoned up my chicken breast with some kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. And I did that on both sides. Psst, have you subscribed yet? Go ahead and tap that button if you haven't already. Cook your bacon till it's nice and crispy, and once it's done cooking, go ahead and transfer it to a paper towel lined plate. Now we are going to brown our chicken breasts on both sides in that yummy bacon grease. Next, I brushed some barbecue sauce over the top of the chicken. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I got this recipe idea from my boy Ray Mac from Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Hey, Ray Mac! Here I'm adding in 1.5 cups of chicken broth, followed by 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke. Now it's time to seal the pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 10 minutes, followed by a quick release. Now we are going to transfer our chicken to a bowl, and it's time to shred it up. I'm using my KitchenAid hand mixer because it shreds chicken super fast. And once your chicken is all shredded, go ahead and add in some barbecue sauce along with some of the juices from your pressure cooker and mix it all together. Add as much or as little barbecue sauce as you like. And then you are going to make a yummy sauce for your sandwiches. And the sauce is going to be made up of barbecue sauce, mayo, and sriracha. So here I have a French roll, and I am spreading some butter on both sides. And now I am going to use the broil feature on the Foodi to brown my roll. And once it's nice and brown, I'm going to go ahead and top the roll with that yummy sauce that we made, followed by our shredded barbecue chicken, followed by that yummy bacon that we cooked earlier, and then lastly, some provolone cheese. And then I'm going to use the broil feature again to melt that yummy cheese. And that's it, foodies. That's your barbecue chicken sandwich. And boy, was this delicious. You definitely have to give this recipe a try. It is so good. So, what did you think of this recipe? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.